Now, today we will do the section formula. Section formula. Okay. Suppose we have a point. Let this be origin. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let this point be A, this point be B. Okay. And we have a point C here. This is your origin. Okay. This is a point, suppose it is C. Now, this is point A. Yesterday, we have done the position vector. Okay. So if we are joining the origin with this point, then we will say that this is a position vector of point A. So we are taking this as the position vector. So whenever you are joining any point with the origin, then you will get the position vector. Okay. Now here also, this is your position vector of point B. This is your position vector of point B. Now this is AB. This is AB. Okay. Now this AB, AB is getting divided by this point C. So if you will join the origin with C, this one. If you are joining this, okay, this is the position vector of point C. Now this C is dividing this AB in the ratio of m is to n. Now we need to find this position vector of point C. So in exam, normally they will give you A and B and you have to find C, or C is given, you need to find B and A. So here the line A, the vector AB is given. A have the position vector A, point B have the position vector B. It's better if, just give me a minute. Okay, we have 2 points A and B which have the position vector A and B, and this C is dividing AB in the ratio of m is to n. So as this point C lie inside this line AB, so we will say that this is internal division. This is internal division. Okay, so if this point C, this lie inside this line AB, then we will say it is internal division. If the point C lie outside the line, outside the AB, then we will say it is a external division. Okay, so here this C will be equal to, do like this, m into this, m into B plus n into A, n into this, n into A by m plus n. Okay, so if we need to find this position vector of point C, then that C is equal to m into multiply with this n with this one by m plus n. Okay, now here we will write a note. If C is the, if point C, if point C, if point C is the midpoint of, if point C is a midpoint of AB, then m will be equal to n. If point C is the midpoint of AB, then m is equal to n. Okay, when m is equal to n, then what we can do? We have this C is equal to mb plus na by m plus n. So in place of n, we can write again as m. So C is equal to mb plus ma by m plus m. Now here what we will get, C is equal to m. It is b plus a by, it is twice of m. M will get cancelled out. So you will write, you can write C is equal to b plus a by, okay. So if C is the midpoint, then the position vector you can find like this: C is equal to B plus A by 2. If the ratio is given, if C is not the midpoint and the ratio is given, then you can use this formula: C is equal to MB plus NA by N plus M. It is similar to the one which you have done in the coordinate geometry. Okay, so please note down this. Raise your hands. Once it is done, then we will start the question. Uh, Everyone, please raise your hands once it is done. Okay, and today you also have a test, so please complete it. Nabil, Atif, Huzefa, is it done? Shall we start next? Nabil, is it done? Okay. Okay. Atif, is it done? Atif, shall we start next? Atif, my voice is audible. Shall we start next? I think Atif, you have some network issue. Okay. Then I'm going to start the question. Please let me know if you miss this formula. Question first is find the position vector. Find the position vector of the points which divide which divide the join of the points which divides the join of the points the joins of the join of the points 2a minus 3b and 3a minus 2b internally in the ratio 2:3, in the ratio 2:3. Okay, please complete this question in 5 minutes and share your answer. Let me know if you have a doubt. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Okay. Otherwise, please share the answer once it is done. By 5. 13 by 5. A minus 12 by 5. I guess Nabil, you have put a wrong formula. Okay. Let me complete this. Josefa, please share your answer if it is done. So you have 2 points, okay, which divide the joiner point this and this in the ratio of 2:3. This is your point C, this point A, and this is C, and this is B. Okay, divine of this point. So the position vector of this point is 2A minus 3B. Position vector of B is 3A minus 2B. And ratio is 2:3. Okay, so we will first write 2, then we will write 3. So we need to find this C. So C is what? MB plus MA, NA by M plus N. So C is equal to MB. So 2 into this, 2 into 3A minus 2B plus 3 into this, 2A minus 3B by M plus N means 3 plus 2. So C is equal to 6A minus 4B plus 6A minus 9B by 5. So here we will get C is equal to 6A plus 6A is 12A minus 13B by 5. So by 5 and by 5. Okay, Nabil, you have done the opposite of this. Is it clear? Is it clear,
Yes, sir.
Nabil? Okay, great. Next, Josefa. Is it clear? Yes, that's correct. Atif, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay. You got the answer, Atif?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now next one. Next is external division. External division. Okay. Now, so earlier that point C lie inside AB. That's why we were saying internal division. Now that point C lie outside AB. So we will say it a external division. So suppose this is A, this is B, this is your origin. Okay. This is point A, which have the position vector A, point B having the position vector B. Now you have a point C which lie outside this line. Okay, this is C. So this lie outside this. So this have the position vector C. Now if we will compare this with the previous one, what was A? AC was M. Sorry, the ratio. AC is to BC is N. So here also we will say that AC by BC is equal to AC is M by N. Okay. So what I'm taking here, this is not its distance. Okay. I'm taking that we are finding this one M, we are taking this, and this we have taken N. So AC by BC is equal to M by N. Now the only difference you will get in this formula is a negative sign. So we need to find the position vector C. If we will check a previous one, then the formula was MB plus NA by M plus N. Okay. Now here we just need to write negative. So C is equal to MB minus NA by M plus N. Okay. So this is your formula for the external division. Here the point lie outside AB. Okay. So please note down this and confirm me. Once it is done, I will give you a question for this. Okay, please note down this and try this question. Find the, and always remember, put this formula as it is. Do not do any changes in this. Okay, whatever the first point is given to you in the question, take that as A. Second point, take that as B. Ratio, the first one take as M, and the other ratio take as N. Okay, please don't do any changes in the formula. So the question is, find the position vector. Find the position vector of the points which divide the join of the points 2a minus 3b and 3a minus 2b externally in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. Okay, please try this question.
So it's a minus n, right?
Oh yes, sorry, it is a minus. Okay, please try this question and share your answer. No, that's not correct. No, Nabil, it is not correct. Okay, put this formula as it is, just write a negative sign here. No need to change anything. Okay, if you will, no, not this. So C is what? C is equal to MB minus NA by M minus N. Now C is equal to M. What is M? So here M into B. So the first ratio we are taking as 2. Second is B. So 3A minus 2B minus N. So that means 3 into 2A minus 3B. Okay, by M minus N. M minus M means 2 minus 3. Now please do the calculation. Nabil, Huzaifa and Atif, and share your answer. Good, Atif, it is correct. Huzaifa and Nabil, please do the calculation and share your answer. Yes, that's correct, Nabil. Good. Huzaifa, please share the answer. Huzaifa, is it done? Shall we start next? Minus 5b, Huzaifa. Okay. In the denominator, you have a negative. Okay, so I hope this section formula is clear to you. Now the next topic is collinearity uh, collinearity of vectors. Okay, now who can tell me, Josefa, what are collinear vectors? Yesterday we have discussed the collinear vectors. Can you tell me what's a collinear vector? Yes, two vectors, if they are parallel to the same line, then we will say that these are collinear vectors. So let vector A and B are two collinear vectors, are two collinear vectors. Okay, then vector A is equal to lambda times of vector B. Always remember, if two vectors are collinear, then vector A is equal to lambda times of B. Okay, so lambda can take any value. Now, for example, try this question. Show that vector A is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap, and B is equal to 6i cap plus 4j cap plus 8k cap are collinear. Are collinear. Okay, show that these two vectors are collinear. So how can we do this? Check here. For B, we can write like this. Take out two commons, so you will get a 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. So we can say vector B is equal to twice of vector. This is what? This is vector A. Okay, so as we have written B is equal to twice of vector A, so in this form we have written this. Hence A and B, vector A and vector B are collinear vector, are collinear vector. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. So if two vectors are collinear, then you can write like this: B is equal to twice of A. Okay. Okay, please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will check the collinearity of points. So if points are given and we need to prove that points are collinear, then how can we do that question? Please complete this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will check the next topic. Okay, Nabil, very good. Atif and Uzafa, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Atif Huzefa, is it done? Okay, great. Now next we will check next topic. Next is collinearity. Collinearity of points. Of points. Okay. So suppose let A, B, and C be three collinear points. Be three collinear points. Okay. A, B, and C be three collinear points. So for example, this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. Join these. Okay. This is your origin. This is the origin. Okay. Now, if we have to prove that these 3 points are collinear, okay, then what will happen? The position vector will be given to you. If we need to show that these 3 points are collinear, then for that you need to find the vector AB. You have to find vector, for example, BC, and you need to show that AB is equal to lambda times of BC. Okay, or you can find any vector. You can find even AC also. Okay, because this vector AB and BC are collinear. They are parallel to the same line. AB and BC are collinear vectors. So if points are given, then in that case, find the vector AB and BC and show that AB is equal to lambda times of BC. Okay, if the vectors are given, then you can directly solve the question. But if the points are given, okay, then points are given or the position vector is given. So this is possible that they will give you like this. They will give you the position vector. Okay, if the points are given, there are chances they will give you this position vector A, B, and C. Okay, so never check like this that A is equal to lambda times of B here. It is not correct. You can see here this position vector OA is not parallel to OB. Okay, don't do like this if the points are given. So for in case of point, they will give you the position vector of the points. So if the points are given, then please find the position vector of these 2 points. Sorry, find the vector AB and BC. Don't do like this, A is equal to lambda times of B or B is equal to lambda times of C. Okay, this is completely incorrect. Don't do like this. Find out the vector AB and BC and show that AB is equal to lambda times of BC. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. Note down this and I will give you a question. Okay. Question is show that the points with position vector with position vector with position vectors a minus 2b plus 3c. Okay, a minus 2b plus 3c minus 2a plus 3b minus c and 4a minus 7b plus 7c are are collinear. Are collinear. Okay, so please try this and let me know once it is done. So you can say this is a point A which have the position vector this, there's a point B having position vector this, there's a point C having position vector this one. Okay, please try this. Very good, Atif. It is correct. Nabil and Josefa, please let me know if it is done. Yes, Nabil, please check here. So these are the points. These are the points which have the position vector. Okay. So what you have to do, you need to find AB. Okay, you can find anything. You can find AB or AC, it's your choice. So please find AB and you can find next BC. Okay. Then you will get AB is equal to lambda times of BC. Please try this. Zephyr, please try this one and share your answer. Josefa and Nabil, is it done? Josefa, tell me yes or no. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, Nabil, very good. Josefa, did you find this AB? How we will find AB? AB is equal to this formula we have done yesterday. It is equal to position vector of point B, position vector of B minus position vector of A, position vector of A, vector of A. Okay, so position vector AB is equal to, so position vector of B is what? Minus 2A plus 3B minus C minus position vector of A means A minus 2B plus 3C. Okay, so AB is equal to what? It is equal to, solve this, minus 2A minus A minus 3A plus 3B plus 2B plus 5B minus C minus 3C minus 4C. Okay, now similarly, Josefa, find BC. Okay, and then check is the AB is lambda times of BC or not. Okay. one more thing. Next Saturday, I will not be able to take your class. So, is it possible for you to do the class on Wednesday at the same time? Wednesday means 23rd. Is it possible? Nabil, Atif, Huzefa, is it possible that I will take the class on Wednesday? You
Which
have
time?
same timing. But some students have the chemistry class. Okay, okay. Huzefa, when you are free, on which day you are free? Only on Friday. Just all days you have the class.
I also have class at the time this time.
Okay, and only on Friday you are free, Atif.
Yes.
Okay, and what's the timing, Atif? Timing of the class? Uh,
So it's the same timing of this class only.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, then I will find some solution. Josefa, please complete this and let me know if it is done. Done. Okay, okay, great. Now next one. Try next question. Next is if the points, if the points, if the points with position vector, with position vectors 60 I cap plus 3j cap, 40 I cap minus 8j cap and AI cap minus 52j cap are collinear, are collinear. Find the value of A. Find the value of A. Okay, please try this question. Very good, Nabil. It is correct. Good. Atif and Uzefa, please let me know once it is done. Atif, Uzefa, please let me know if it is done and you have a doubt. No, Uzefa, it is minus 40. Okay, again, please check the calculation. It is minus 40. And if you have a problem, let me know. I will solve this one.
The answer is minus 40.
Yes, Atif, minus 40 is correct. Good. Uzefa, did you find the mistake? Okay, great. Minus 40. Okay, okay. Good. Okay, so this topic is completed. Please try to do the homework. And now we will start the next topic, which is product of two vectors. Product of two vectors. Of two vectors. Okay. Of two vectors. Next topic is product of vectors. Product of vectors. Now the first is we have a two type of products. Okay. First is scalar product. Scalar, and this is also called the dot product, scalar or dot product. Okay, we have a two type of product of vectors. First is a scalar product and second is a vector product. Okay, so scalar product will give you the resultant as a scalar quantity and the vector product will give you the resultant as a vector quantity. So the first is scalar or dot product. Let a and b, let a and b be two non-zero vectors, be two non-zero vectors. Okay, let a and b be two non-zero vectors. Then their scalar product, product is given by a dot b is equal to magnitude of a, magnitude of b cos theta. Okay, where theta is the angle, theta is the angle between vector a and b, between vector a and b. Okay, so suppose this is a vector a and this is vector b. This is vector a and this is vector b, and the angle between a and b is theta. Angle between these two is theta. So A dot B is equal to what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. Okay. So this is a scalar quantity magnitude. This is scalar. Cos theta also give you the scalar. So the dot product will give you the resultant as a scalar. Now the what is theta? Theta value should lie between will lie between 0 and pi. Okay. So we will try to find out some results from this. Okay. Uh, some results. Okay. So the first result is when first we will write A dot B is real. This will give you the real numbers is real. Second, if theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta is equal to 90 degree, then anyone can tell me what is A dot B? If theta is 90, vector A and B are perpendicular to each other, then A dot B will give you what? Yes, it is 0. Very, very good. Good. So magnitude of B cos 90. Okay. So this will give you cos 90 is 0. So A, B into 0. So the answer is 0. Always remember, if two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product will be 0 because we have a cos theta in the form. Okay. Please note down this. Let me know once it is done. Then we will check some more results. Okay. Then we will try some questions. Okay, Nabil, very good. Atif and Uzefa, please confirm. Okay, Uzefa, good. Atif, is it done? Okay, great. Now next one. Third is if theta is equal to 0, if theta is equal to, if theta is equal to 0 degree, then A dot B will be equal to what? Magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos 0. So this will give you magnitude of A, magnitude of B, only this one. Okay. So A dot A, we can say it is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of A. Okay. And cos 0 degree because the vector is same. So the angle between them is cos 0. So here you will get modulus of A square. Okay. Fourth one, if theta is equal to, if theta is equal to pi, then A dot B is equal to, A dot B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos pi. So this will give you minus magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So that means A dot A is equal to what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of A. Leave this. This is sufficient. Okay, fifth, then sixth is okay. Next we will find A dot I dot I. Okay, so I dot I. What's the angle between these two? Anyone can tell me what is I cap dot I cap? What's the angle between I and I?
0.
0. Very
0
good.
degree.
Okay, because they are the same vectors. So it is equal to magnitude of I cos 0 degree. So it is equal to 1 into 1 into cos 0 is 1. So the final answer is 1. Okay, so that means I dot I is equal to j dot j is equal to k dot k. It is equal to 1. Okay, next I dot j. Anyone can tell me the angle between I dot j? I and j?
90. 90 degree.
90 degree. Good. Okay, so I j cos 90. So this is equal to 1 into 1 into 0. So this is equal to 0. So I dot j, j dot k, I dot k. It is equal to 0. Okay. Now the last result is A and dot product. Scalar product, or I will just write like this. A dot B, A dot B is equal to B dot A. Okay, it follows the commutative property. Follow the commutative property. Okay, now please note down this and let me know once it is done. Okay, Nabil, very good. Atif and Azifa, please confirm if it is done. Is it done? Atif and Joseph. Okay, Josefa, is it done? Okay, great, great. Now next question. Next, try this question. Find A dot B when when the first part is vector A is equal to 2I cap plus 2J cap minus K cap and B is equal to 6I cap minus 3J cap plus 2K cap. Okay, you need to find the dot product. So first I will do for you. So A dot B, this is equal to 2I plus 2J minus K cap dot product. This one 6I cap minus 3J cap plus 2K cap. Okay, now remember this. If you will find the dot product I dot I, you will get a 1. But if you will find I dot J, you will get a 0. So what we will do, this I dot J, I dot K will be 0. So we will ignore it. We will just write 2 into 6, 2 into 6. Okay. And now I dot I is 1. So there's no need to write it. It will give you the 1 only. Now 2 plus 2 into minus 3 plus with K you have a minus 1. So minus 1 into 2. Here what you will get 12 minus 6 minus 2. So here you get a 4. So A dot B is equal to 4. Okay. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Now please try the second question. If you wish, you can write down the first. Otherwise, you can directly start the second one. Vector A is written in is given in this form: 1 comma 1 comma 2, and B is 3 comma 2 comma minus 1. Okay. Now please try this. Find A dot B in the second one. So first you need to write the vector. So write like this: A is equal to I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap. Similarly, find B, then find the dot product. Okay, Nabil, very good. Atif and Uzefa, please let me know if it is done. Nabil, please share your answer for the second one. Very good, Atif. It is correct. Josefa and Nabil, please share your answer for the second one. No, that's not correct. You have to find the dot product. Okay, that's fine. You have find out the vector B. Okay, it's good. But the question is you have to find the dot product. Okay, so please find this and share your final answer. And Josefa, please share your answer. Very good, Josefa. It is correct. Nabil, what's the answer? Nabil, again, it is incorrect. You have to find the dot product. Okay, check here. Here the dot product was 4, not in terms of I cap, J cap, and K cap. Because when you will find I dot I, you will get a 1. When you will find I dot J, you will get a 0. Okay, so A is this and B is this. You have to find the dot product. Check here. Check this case. Okay, and solve this and share your answer. Very good, Nabil. It is correct. Now please try this next question. Question 2. Find A plus 3B dot product 2A minus B if vector A is equal to I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap and vector B is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 J cap minus K cap. Okay, and this question came in CBSE 2002. Please try this. No, Atif, it is not correct. You might have done some mistake. Please again check the calculation. And Josefa and Nabil, please share the answer. Nabil, why you are getting 7 J cap? Okay, always remember I have given you the first point. The first point is dot product is a real. Okay, so there's no need to write I, J, and K. You will never get I, J, and K while finding the dot product. Please again check, Nabil, why you're always getting this I cap and J cap. Yes, very good, Nabil. Now it is correct. Good, Atif, it is correct. So, Josefa, only you are left. Please share your answer. Zephyr, is it done? Shall we start next? We just have 12 minutes. We have to start then test. Is it done, Josefa? Josefa, let me know if you need a hint in this question. Josefa, please tell me what you are getting the answer. Are perpendicular to each other. Are perpendicular to each other. Okay. You are not getting the final answer. Please check here. You need to find a plus 3b first. First of all, add these two. So that means I plus 3 is 4i plus 3j plus k cap. Dot product with, oh, sorry. First of all, you need to find a plus 3b. So did you get this, Josefa? A plus 3b? Yes. Final answer is minus 15. Okay. Please check the calculation. It should be minus 15. Okay. Now please start this question method. Find the value of lambda so that the vectors are perpendicular to each other. Yes, Joseph, you can. Very good, Nabil. It is correct. Good. Atif, please let me know once you get the answer. Here the lambda is 5 by 2. Okay, Atif, confirm me if you're getting this answer.
That is centurion, sir.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Good. Next is find the value of P for which the vectors A is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 9k cap and B is equal to I cap plus pj cap plus 3k cap are first is perpendicular and second is parallel. Okay, let me know if you have any doubt. Very good, Nabil. First is correct. Good. I will give you the hint, Nabil. If they are parallel, means they are collinear. So you can put the condition of collinearity here. Okay. Atif, first part is run perpendicular.
Yes.
Okay. What's the answer, Atif?
12.
No, not 12. Again, check it. It should be minus 15, the first one. Okay. And Nabil, if you still have a doubt, please let me know in the second one.
Yes, sir. Now I got minus 15.
Okay, good, Atif. Please check the second one.
For second one, sir, for second one, I said 2 by 3.
Yes, great. It is correct. Very good. Nabil, let me know if you have a doubt here. Yes. Or I will give you one more result in the collinearity. Okay. Okay. This one. So here we will drive a result. You can use the same result for that question. Vector A is equal to let vector A is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. Vector B is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. Okay. Now, if A and B are collinear, then A is equal to lambda times of B. So that means A1 I cap plus A2 J cap, A2 J cap plus A3 K cap is equal to lambda times of this one, B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. So here you will get what? A1 I cap, A2 J cap, A3 K cap, and it is equal to lambda B1 I cap plus lambda B2 J cap plus lambda B3 K cap. Now here compare this A1 with this, okay? Because I component, we will equate I with I. So A1 is equal to lambda B1. Similarly, this A2 is equal to lambda B2. A2 is equal to lambda B2. And similarly, A3 is equal to lambda B3. So here you will get what? A1 by B1 is equal to lambda. here A2 by B2 is equal to lambda. Here also A3 by B3 is equal to lambda. So if lambda is equal to all these, so we can say that A1 by B1 is equal to A2 by B2 is equal to A3 by B3. Okay, is equal to lambda. So we have this result. Okay, Nabil. So that means if two vectors are parallel or collinear, then we can use this result. A1 by B1, A1 by B1 is equal to A2 by B2 is equal to A3 by B3. Okay, now I hope now you can do this question. Zephyr, you have just joined. So where you have done the collinearity of vectors, so Zephyr, there you can write this result. And if you don't have a space, then on the next page, please again write this collinearity of vector. And in that, please write this derivation. Okay. And Nabil, after this, you can try to solve the question. Uh, Josefa, is this done? Nabil, now please try to solve the question. Okay, Josefa, good. So Nabil, please solve this question and let me know the answer. Josefa, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay. So I'm going to end this and now you have a test of differential equation. Okay. So Josefa, you can take a screenshot of this. So I know you can do this perpendicular on your own. Parallel, I will tell you, A and B are parallel. So that means A and B are collinear. So we can say A is equal to lambda times of B. So by the formula which we have just seen, we can write like this: 3 by 1 is equal to 2 by P is equal to 9 by 3. So we can take these two. So 3 is equal to 2 by P and P is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to end this. Okay, now the homework. We have not shared the assignment yet with you. Hopefully we will share the assignment till tomorrow. Homework is assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 2, okay, and assignment 3. assignment 3. First and second, you can complete it. In third, maybe you have some doubts because we have to, this is based on dot product. Okay. So maybe you have doubt in assignment third because we need to do some more questions in this. Okay, but please try to complete these 3 assignments and you can share your doubts in the next class with me. Okay, just give me a minute.